I like what I see. All right, welcome back to my channel. This is Mo. Look at that. All right. So I got those char logs going. Place it right there. Let's get you. Oh, you just broke apart. All right. So this is what I got right here going. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put this one right there. All right. So I got the char logs. I'm gonna get this temp up right here at around 275. If it goes to 300, I'm good with that. I'm gonna do some whole pork ribs. All right. Season them with salt and pepper. That's all you need, right? That's all you need. So once this gets up to temp, I'm gonna put them on. All right, so let's get those ribs on. So we got right here. Let's put them right there. Just like that. All right, you can see I did add, hold on, no you can't. Now you can see. I added a piece of mesquite, so that's going right there. So seasoned right there with salt and pepper. So let's close it up and let's get to cooking. Bring it back. Let's check and see. Let's go for an hour. See what they look like. All right, so let's check them out. They've been going on for an hour. Yeah. All right. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna give it a little spritz of just water. A little dry, but you can do it with however you want to use. Yeah. What I am gonna do, gonna turn it around this way. Yeah, just like that. And there it is, looking good, right? Still got a lot more to go. But yeah, so I'm gonna let it ride and keep going, go for another hour. We are 2 hours in, so let's check it out. Oh yeah, it's looking good. Smelling good. Got a little pullback, just a little bit. That's what we're looking at right now. So we're about the halfway point, but we still got some still to go there, and they're not fully lit up, So yeah, looking good. I don't have to spritz too much on there, but go ahead and do it anyways. Yeah, looking good, looking good. So let's add that up right there. That mesquite. So let's continue on. I think what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna wrap it in that foil paper. So I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it and then let it ride. And that's what we got. All right. Still looking pretty good. We still got this halfway, still not lit, but this right here is burning out. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go ahead and just wrap in that foil paper. So I'll bring it back when I'm done with all that. All right, here it is, wrapped like a present. All right, I'm gonna let it ride. We'll check on it, see how it goes. I don't know if I'm gonna keep it in for a whole hour, but we'll see. That's what we got. So that wood, even though it's still gonna be going, it's gonna be useless. But yeah, so let's go. Let's continue on. Ooh, yeah. It's hot in there, huh? Well, all right. Well, I'm going to take it out, put it back on, let it go on there for a bit. I don't know, maybe 30 minutes, and then we'll check it and see if it's ready to go, ready to eat. But yeah, so that's what I'm doing. We'll take it out and continue on. Look at that. Looks beautiful, right? It's getting dark out here, so it looks nice. Get some heat, too, because it's chilly right now. It is chilly. All right, so that's what it looks like. Remember, season it with salt and pepper. That's all it is. Just salt and pepper, and it's looking good. Look at that flame. It's hot in there. And those char logs, man, they are fantastic. Yeah. So let's put this back on and let's continue on. Let's try it for 30 minutes and see where it's at, all right? All right. So it is done. Oh, look at that. Beautiful, beautiful. Just beautiful, huh? All right. I'm going to take it off, let it rest for a bit. Then I'm going to start eating. Oh, yeah. All right. Here it is. What do you think? Ain't that a beauty right there? 4.5 hours. 4.5 hours. Mm-hmm. Oh, yeah. Mm. Mm-hmm. Man. Mm-hmm. That is good. Oh, yeah. Makes it even better. And that, since it's chilly out here, it just warms me up. Oh, gotta say, this was fantastic. Hot rod did fantastic. Keeping the temp where I wanted it at. Oh, man. Yep. This is it. Those char logs did fantastic. All right, so this is pretty much it. Hope you enjoyed it. As always, thanks for bye. Thanks for watching. Smoke on, everyone.